Welcome back, children. This is our third video for Chapter 9, India and Tourism. I'm sure you have been waiting for my videos, but let me apologize as I was not well. I'm still not too well. I had some infection. No, don't worry. God is with me. It's not corona, but I had sort of digestive problem, so I'm still recovering. But I thought of making this small video today of India as to start, or rather to complete, this part of tourism. And tomorrow I will try my level best to start with transport, because I'm sure you are waiting to complete the lesson so that we can start with some revision stuff. So I would like to request you, if you really like my videos and you are really learning from my videos, to kindly subscribe to the channel. It's up to you. If you like my teaching, just as an appreciation, you can subscribe to the channel. You haven't to pay anything for subscription. You just need to press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you come to know, or rather you get notified of my new uploads. So I won't waste your time, because I know once normally when people start talking, you don't like to hear anyone talking and you will go zoom, sliding the video forward. So don't do that. I will quickly complete this little part of India and tourism. Before that, I would like to bring to your notice a little mistake, not little, but I would call it a major mistake probably, that I mentioned in my first video, when I explained to you one of the top 10 wonders of Brazil, that is Iguazu Falls, where I mentioned that it is situated at the borders between Argentina and Brazil. I said Argentina in the north, okay, which is completely wrong. It was a slip of a tongue. I just in a hurry said that. So therefore, to clarify that and so that you do not have that wrong idea, I have put this map here to explain to you where exactly Argentina is. So Argentina is exactly in the opposite. In fact, it is in the south and southwest of Brazil. So here is Argentina's border with Brazil. In the south, you can see here, okay, in the light blue shade. So kindly make note of that mistake that I made in my previous video. So talking about India and tourism, we know that from the graph that the number of tourists in India has been on a rise. Right from 2010 onwards. It started after 2009, but after 2010 there was a good rise in the number of tourists in India, while that of Brazil began declining. Now we don't rejoice that their tourism is going down, but yes, we need to appreciate the efforts put in by India and the Indian government to bring up our tourism. Okay, main factors that attract tourists in India, you will definitely catch it in my first video after looking at the rich cultural heritage, the rich history that India has, the diversity, the adventure opportunities that these people, or rather the tourists, get. The Taj Mahal of Agra is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Then the mesmerizing Himalayas. Okay, they are the crown of beauty for our country. Cheaper and world-class healthcare system. I spoke about these even in my first video. Then many people nowadays come as tourists for business, because India is a world market today, and because of the large population, they find a huge market for their products in our country, and therefore they come here for business purposes, and at the same time they tour India. Then development of ecotourism by Indian government. So these are some of the factors that attract tourists in our country. Considering the rich cultural, historical and religious heritage of India, many places in India are being developed as tourist attractions. So special care is taken by the government to develop these places. Okay, for example, here we have the Gateway of India at Mumbai. Then we have the Ajanta Ellora Caves in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Another place of historical significance worth visiting. Then we have Guwahati in Assam. This is uses modern technology and has helped in development of Assam tourism. So Guwahati in Assam International Airport, looking at it only, it looks really very, very attractive, and of course the scenic beauty as well. So these are the major reasons why tourism in India has really you can say grown by leaps and bounds compared to Brazil. So I leave you here. Hopefully I will come back tomorrow. Try my best. God bless. Thank you. Take care.